So the question is, on which of the following properties does the coagulating power of an ion depend? So the options are the magnitude of the charge on the ion alone, the sign of the charge of the ion, both magnitude and the sign of the charge on the ion, and the size of the ion. So if we know the Hardy-Schulze rule, according to that, if we know this, according what happens in this rule is the it proves that coagulating power of an ion depends on the magnitude and the sign of the ion. So the option C states that both magnitude and the sign of the charge on the ion. So the answer option 3 will be the answer.